Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to convert USDC to USDT on Kucoin. Your first step would be to open up the Kucoin centralized exchange. Make sure you have an account on the exchange. If you do not, use our link in the description to register and verify. Alright guys, so with a verified account, your next step to converting your USDC to USDT would be to click on deposit. So go ahead and select the deposit icon. Once you've selected deposit, use the search to search for USDC, click on USDC, and then go ahead and select the network. In this tutorial, I'll be going with the Ethereum network. You can go ahead and deposit from any network you hold your USDC in. Once you've deposited, by copying your address and depositing, in order to convert, simply head to the trade icon at the bottom of the screen. Once here, you're on the spot menu where we have Trump USDT. Click on Trump USDT and search for USDC USDT. Click on this option, and where we have buy, replace it with sell, and instead of limit, select market. Market helps us buy at the instant price of the market. So we're buying for $1, we're selling for $1. So simply enter an amount and then click on sell USDC, and you would have successfully sold your USDC for the USDT. So your 100 USDC or 10 would be converted into USDT. And you can confirm it by heading to the assets menu at the bottom right, scrolling from the overview to your funding or trading, and you'll find them there. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer.